Welcome to your DIY credit management software, built to personalize your credit journey. Let's get started. On the dashboard, you'll see a variety of tools that help summarize your credit standing and guide you through your DIY experience. Start with the game plan to complete step-by-step tasks that are personalized for your credit goals. Then, check the Score Center, which includes your credit score from a major bureau and a monthly score tracker, so you can awe at your progress. From here, you can set a credit score goal and continue working through your plan to reach your financial targets. Plus, we will send you a notification when you have reached your score goal. The Score Factors tool provides a breakdown of each factor that impacts your score health. When aiming for an excellent score rating, this customized tool can help you focus on the factors that need the most attention. Below that, the Dispute Status widget provides you a summary view of the progress of your ongoing disputes. As you update your dispute statuses, we track your progress for you here. In the navigation, the Credit Report Review provides access to your interactive credit reports. The first step in your credit management journey is to review your report for inaccuracies. The interactive report automatically flags items that may be negatively impacting your score, and you can take action right from your report if you need to dispute anything. Simply click into the flagged accounts for more details. If you find something inaccurate or notice an account you don't recognize, click the Start Dispute button. From here, you can complete the simplified dispute flow and add additional information about your disputes. These items will automatically be added to your custom dispute letters. After you've reviewed your flagged items, and anything else on the report you might have recognized as inaccurate, head over to the Dispute Hub. At just the click of a button, you can generate your letters. And from there, it's as simple as downloading, attaching your supplementary documents, and mailing them off to the respective bureaus. Don't forget to mark them as sent to track your progress. Once the bureaus respond, in about 30 to 45 days, head back to the Dispute Hub to record your results and mark them as complete. If you don't get the dispute outcome you were hoping for, you can always dispute the item again from the Credit Report Review. Next, we will check the Utility Reporting tool, which helps you add utility payments, like gas or electricity, to your credit report to potentially support your credit profile. Begin by clicking to Start. Enter your username and password for that account, then search for your utility provider. Breeze through any security verification steps, and you're all set. Finally, we will go over the Rental Reporting tool, which lets you report your monthly rent payments to the credit bureaus, offering a way to build credit history without taking on new debt. First, input your current rental address, then link your bank account to detect your rent payments. Provide your username and password for the provider. Complete any quick authentication prompts, and you're finished. Check back monthly to monitor your credit journey. Congratulations! You took the first steps to achieving your credit score goals. Now you can refresh your credit reports, update your disputes, and come back anytime, with the tools to track your progress every step of the way.